Project title Android malware detections. Okay, so based on your base paper, they are using totally three data sets. So from that, I took based on the feasibility, I took this data set as an input. So this is the data set. It will contain totally five classes: class one, class two, class four, totally class five classes available. So the first will be data analysis and the second one will be pre-processing the data, and we are classifying using some ML classification, and this is the web app by using Streamlit I creator. If you give the input based on that what type of Android class it is, so that it will be defined over there. So I'm copying the path of the location. So based on that, which we given as an input, it classifies the data. And here we are calculating the ML classification. For navigation, I am getting 58% accuracy. For random forest, 94% accuracy. Logistic regression, 0.80% accuracy. And finally, for SVM, I am getting 82%. So in overall, these three, random forest getting highest accuracy. So for that, it's generating the, so this what the five types of malware: beginner, adware, banking, S malware, and risk malware. So these are all the five classes of the data. And here you are getting the accuracies, for which one how much accuracy, which one giving highest accuracy, or that way it's giving you the result. So for totally we are getting five types of algorithm. For all five, whatever the things it's displaying over here: accuracy, precision, recall, F measure. For navigation, random forest, SVM, logistic regression. So this is the web app which I created by using Streamlight. So based on the input, so these are all the write EV, write and window gain focus, and what will be the socket ranges, and whether it is supported by Gym mask and M products and BRK and FS access or not. So on that basis, this is the inputs which we given. For that, it's giving the class 4 will be the prediction. So if I'm changing the data, for example, so intermediately it's getting the class 2 will be the process. So based on that, the classes will be vary.